Welcome back. Today we have Xiaomi Pad 7 and I'm currently using the Focus Pen Pro. I'm inside the default Notes app, and overall I can say that all the gesture that can be used on this stylus cannot control anything on the default Notes app. You cannot switch between tools, go to eraser, whatsoever. So basically, when you're using the default Notes app using the Focus Pen Pro, you are basically just using a simple stylus. So if you're a heavy note taker using the Notes app, I won't recommend using this stylus. However, the gesture will work inside Mi Canvas. Okay, now if I double tap, it will go to eraser. This is the default behavior. If I choose fountain pen, I double tap, it will still go to eraser. So double tap, the default behavior will be switching between the last used pen and the eraser. So if this is useful to you, then congratulations. To me, I think it's just alright. And one gimmicky thing is that I can slide up to increase the boldness of the font. Slide up. I can slide down to decrease. See? So to me this is quite gimmicky, but to others I'm not sure. I think it could be useful if you are just the kind of person that use one kind of pen and switching between different thickness and using eraser only. But for my use case, mainly I use this to take notes, so this won't be useful. Okay, if I use back the normal focus pen, alright, I can switch from the left to right by simply clicking here. Okay, I can scroll through the different pen and I can change color using here. Okay, right now, change color, and go to highlighter, change color. So this is definitely more useful when it comes to the default Notes app. So if you are a heavy note taker using the default Notes app, get the normal Focus Pen, not the Pro version. Okay, the same behavior is actually happening in the Mi Canvas as well. Click here to switch between the different pen and click here to switch color. Oops. Okay, see? So overall, I think the Focus Pen will be the more practical choice. I'm not too sure whether I can do any different settings. Let me just check. Stylus. Nope. Press and open, take a screenshot. Presentation mode, edit text. Yep. Spotlight. I'm not sure what is spotlight. The top button here. Oops, sorry. I shall try that out later when I have the time. But overall, comparing the Pro version and the normal version, if you take notes using the default Notes app, then just get the normal version. It will be better. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.